I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
Today I'm making Chorizo Queso Fundido. Think chorizo sauteed with a little onion, garlic, and jalapeno and lots of melted cheese. It's easy to make, it tastes great, and it's right here on Austin Eats. I'll start by sauteing some homemade chorizo. Make sure to watch my other video on how to make homemade chorizo. It's really very easy. Once the chorizo is cooked, I'll remove it from the pan and add my onions, jalapeno, and a little garlic, and just saute that until the onion softens. Then add a little bit of water to the pan and scrape up all those brown bits on the bottom. That's where all the flavor is. Next, I add a little bit of heavy cream, stir that in, and when it's well mixed, then it's time to start adding the cheese. I'm using white American cheese that's been cut into half-inch chunks. Add that to the pan and start stirring. Turn down the heat so you don't burn the cheese onto the bottom of the pan. Once the cheese is fully melted, add the chorizo back in and stir to incorporate. Once it's all mixed together, turn off the heat, top it with some fresh chopped cilantro, and serve it with some warm tortilla chips. Oh, this is just so wonderful. Hey, if you like the recipe, let me know. And please subscribe. It really helps me grow the channel. See you next time on Austin Eats.